Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my slime. This is my first slime that I made. It's the okay slime. Don't really looks like an alien slime. But it doesn't look like it. By the way, this is my first video that I made. Let's try to hit 100 subscribers, and I would do a giveaway, an iPhone 5 giveaway. So stay tuned to that. Sorry. Quite short video. I will be buying 10 more slimes tomorrow, and I will mix them together. So stay tuned. Slime tutorial: how to play slime. To cook them. Or do whatever things you want to do. So, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.